Hi, this is Rachelle with Scrapcraftastic, and I am going to do a little Happy Mail unboxing. I have a couple of packages that I received from different companies that wanted me to review or give my opinion of products. So let's get started. So this is the first package, and it's from, I love this, by the way. I'm going to be taking that off and saving it. But this is from the Washi Queen. And let's go in here and see what we've got. Let's see what it is. And this came from the UK, by the way. Let me go ahead and take this off so I can keep up with it. And I'll remove the adhesive. Okay. Washi Queen UK. I hate to tear this up. This is good tissue paper. Dun, 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 dun. Wow. Ta-da! Wow, that's nice. It is a Washi Wallet. So this is what it looks like. This is it inside. So it holds your sample washies or your washi cards. They slide right in just like that. How cool is that? So you got some thin washi. I like those colors, this color scheme. You see these, the pockets are pretty heavy duty, so it's not like the photo albums that you get from Dollar Tree or Walmart where it feels like if you pull too hard they're going to come apart. These are nice and sturdy, good quality. Oh, I like this one too. The watercolor. And that one. So yep, that is it. Let's see, how many pockets do we have here? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 pockets that you can store washi in. Toss this in your planner bag and go. Very cute. So if you're interested in a Washi wallet, I'll leave the link below to the shop, and also you can use my code Rachelle10 to receive 10% off your order. So let's move on to what else I have here. This is pretty big and heavy. So let's go in and see what we've got. Okay, first thing is this box of 60 watercolors. So I already have the pans of watercolors, but these are the tubes of watercolor from Arteza. Then we have 14 sheets of watercolor paper. This is Expert Paper Pad. 100% cotton, double-sided, cold press, glue bound, ideal for watercolor techniques and mixed media. So you got that. Let me see. Okay. And then last but not least, I saw this on their site and I was like, ooh, that's so nice. I want one of those. Well, here we go. The 96 Real Brush Pen travel case with the pens in it. Let's go into this one first. Let's take the packaging off. This is really a nice case. It's canvas. These are pretty heavy duty plastic. Not cheesy at all. Let's go inside. Let's move this over for now. Then that's 96 of their real brush pens. Strong closure. Ooh, and it comes with a watercolor pen. Let's see, these sides come apart. So, oh, this is nice. So you have this side with your oranges and yellows, pinks, reds, purples, more purples and blues, blues and greens. So they're in rainbow color order, greens and browns. What color is this? Parma gray. So now these have the color name and number on them. So these are grays and black, so I guess this is part of this, even though it has like a bluish tint to it. Yeah, Parma gray. I don't know what color gray that's supposed to be. But yeah, that was my thing before. I do have the original Real Brush pens. Let me show you those. So I finally stopped using the trays that the Real Brush pen, these Real Brush pens came in. I just want to show you what the original set looks like, and let's compare the original set that I had. So this is what they looked like. So they look the same, except for the branding is different on the pens. And these original ones did not have the color name or number. So that is an improvement, but I just have them in this bag. If I could fit these in here, I would move them over, but I know they're not going to fit. There's no space for them. Not enough space. But yeah, this is nice. So you could take this on the go if you're painting or drawing or however you use them. Wow. The elastics are strong. Let's try to put one of the other ones in there and see how easy or difficult it is. I'm going to put it right next to it. So that slides in fairly easily. Let's try one that's not next to something else. Yep, slides in fairly easily. So that shouldn't be a problem. Okay. I have quite a few of these water brushes, but it's nice to get another one in this. This is just really nice. And then it has room where I can add my other ones here as well. Other pens, pencils. I could add my drawing pencils in here. Yep. And then you just, these sides Velcro back together. And this closes like this. This is really nice. Look at that. Oh, I didn't put it back together right, but there we go. That might be a little problematic. You have to make sure you line up the sides just right if you want it to stand up like this. So let's see what the size of it is, so you can get kind of an idea of how big it is. So it is about 10¼ inches wide, 7½ inches tall, and the width is about 3½ inches. So 3½, 7½, and 10¼ So yeah, it's kind of nice. You can tighten and loosen those as you need. Oh, and it has a zipper pocket on the back, so you can slide things down in there. Feels pretty good quality. So this is the 96 Real Brush pens in the travel case, and let's see what it says. 96 unique colors, water-based ink, flexible brush tip, non-toxic, 108 elastic slots, fits 8 to 12 millimeter markers, carrying handle, adjustable strap, adjustable shoulder strap, zipper pocket, self-moistening, durable nylon fiber tips. This is the water brush pen. Portable, ideal for watercoloring. Yep. This is awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Okay, I'm gonna keep the packaging. Y'all know me by now. I keep the packaging. So slide that in there. Okay. And these are good if you're wanting to learn how to do brush lettering. I still haven't mastered that yet. But this is good for practicing and learning how to do that. I'm left-handed, so it's a little more complicated for me, but yeah, these are good for that. For doing watercolor, especially on the go. It's already in the pen. You don't have to. Yeah, it's good. So this is the paper. Where's my scissors? Let's open up and check out this watercolor paper. I have definitely got to start doing some kind of artwork on the channel and use these products. I just need a better way to go live because it's not something that I want to record. I would rather be live doing it, but my camcorder does not give me the quality that I want, and I don't want to have to use my phone to do it. So yeah, I know I want a lot, but so this is the paper pad. I like that they had the corners, protecting the corners. But this is what it looks like. It's just plain watercolor paper. It did get dinged up a little bit on the side, unfortunately. So this paper is a little different from the other paper pads that I've received from Arteza. This is the watercolor paper. I have the mixed media paper and it's much heavier, but I like this weight. I could see making some nice tags out of this weight of paper. So the paper is really nice and it is cold press. Double-sided. Let me see the other side. Yep. So it is double-sided. That's nice. And then we have the 60 watercolors. So here we go. Ta-da! So these are set up very similar to the gouache. They do have the numbers and the color name on the box and on the tube, which I like. And let's see, let's open one up. 12 milliliters. And this is what it looks like. There we go. Let's try a lighter color and see. So I guess these are worth going through swatching just to make sure of what colors you have, because the color in the tube doesn't always match what's on the outside. But that's that color. These are really nice. I went to school for art, and I always said I'm not a painter. I don't paint. But I'm gonna have to stop saying that and do more painting. But I like these. I like that you can store them in the box. You can put this on the shelf. You can use these to make your own pans of watercolor. So these are the colors. Let's just take them all out so you can see what the colors look like. So those are the colors. We got these greens and browns. We got some blues and purples. Some more blues and greens and a peachy color. You got some neutral tones with a few greens in there. Got some, this was the first one that I looked at, some greens, orange, pink. So you got a good variety of colors here. Scarlet red, vermilion red, burnt sienna, crimson. So yeah, you've got pretty much the rainbow of colors to choose from. All nicely packed in this box. On the side of the box, it also has the color chart listed. Wow, these are nice. I guess I need to get to creating. Okay, so that's it for this unboxing. Don't forget to go grab a Washi Wallet and use my code Rachelle10. I'll leave the link to the shop in the description box below, and also I will leave a link and a discount code in the description box below for Arteza, so you can go check out these products. And especially the brush pens are my favorite. They are really worth checking out, and I'll put up a couple of photos at the end of this video so you can see some of the things that I created with the other set of brush pens that I have. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up. Also, make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Hit the little gray bell so that you'll receive notification each time I upload a new video. Don't forget to check the community tab and also my stories for updates throughout the week. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye!